Hello ladies and gentlemen, hello, how are you today? I hope you have fantastic day. Let's unbox Deathwatch Kill Team. As you see, 5 miniatures, and let's unpack it. Let's check it out. That's my first collection, my first miniatures ever, so I am wondering what is inside, and if you are watching this, probably you are wondering also what's inside and if it's worth it. It is probably, if you know, like Deathwatch. 5 miniatures, they look amazing. This is the back of the box. Look how amazing they are. They can be amazing, of course, if you paint them. So let's see what's inside. For all experienced guys, you already know what's inside because it's a normal package, I assume. So there is an instruction. We will go back to that. Standard bases. Nothing special, but they will do the work. And 2 frames. 2 frames with so many small things. Why I'm saying small? Because it's my first experience with miniatures, so for me everything is small, plus I have fat fingers, so yeah, everything is small. Different chapters, you can pick whatever you want, shields and so on. So yeah, plus wow, that's the one side, and here is the second thing of the boulderons, how you call them, heads. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you will be able to see the heads. Look on those heads. The box say 4 miniatures, 5 miniatures, and you have like 3, 7, 9, 11 heads to pick. So yeah, you can customize your heads. But I wanted to show you the instruction because it is interesting thing to see, and maybe it will help you like it helped me. 5 miniatures, okay, standard instruction. So many things over here to pick, to choose, so many chapters. So the heads is even more than I thought. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I was thinking 11, I don't know, but okay. Watch Sergeant is over here, and you can make him with the 2 different guns and 2 different swords. Of course, you can always choose the head, but for me important is that you can pick 2 kinds of weapons and 2 kinds of swords. So that's the one combination you need to choose. Veteran with heavy weapon. Veteran with heavy weapon have 2 choices: heavy blaster and granite launcher. So 2 again, 2 choices to make, to decide. If you are an experienced player, probably it's not a problem for you, because you will magnetize your miniatures, and you can pick and change it anyway and fast as possible. But if you are a starting noob like me, that can be a problem, because it's already the second miniature, and you have two variants over here, two versions. Veteran with the shield and power maul. So you can decide is he's holding the shield on left hand or right hand. It's not a big difference, but the choice. It's not the same choice like into previous miniatures, but that's what I can live with. Veteran with heavy thunder hammer. Also the same. If he holds the hammer in left or right hand. So yeah, it's okay. Veteran with ranged weapon. We have blaster and sword, we have shotgun, and we have bolt gun, stalker, pattern moral. So it's three choices over here. So those two, veteran with heavy weapon and the sergeant, that's 2. Those 3, it's 5 choices you need to do to pick if you have both one box. If you both one box, you will create only 5 miniatures, so there will be some hard choices. And it's not the end of hard choices, because Black Shield. Black Shield is the next optional miniature which you can make. And for me, this guy looks most amazing of them all. So you have components for 5 miniatures, but you have like different kinds. That's the 6th guy, that's the 2, so it's like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with sergeant. So it's like 10 guys you can do, you should do, you can do. Well, that's why I bought the second box. Come on. That's why I bought the second box of Deathwatch Kill Team, and I will do 2 kinds of sergeants. Watch sergeant. I will do one with that gun and this sword, second with the other gun and different sword, just because they look amazing and I want to have them both. I have no experience, no clue how to pick what is better looking, what is better for games. I have no idea, so I will do the 2 watch sergeants. Same thing with heavy weapons. I will do 2 miniatures, one with heavy bolter and one with frag cannon. So I will have already 4 miniatures. With the shield, I haven't decided if it will be left or right hand, but I will not do 2 figures with that. Only one is enough. The same thing with the hammer, thunder hammer. That will be only 1 figure with that. But veteran with ranged weapon, I will have to pick one from the one box and the second from the second box. Probably it will be this guy, stalker pattern bolt gun, because for some reason the shotgun don't talk to me. Plus I want to do at least this guy, and he is using the legs from 4, and I believe the 4 is... Who have the legs for number 4? That's number 5. That's number 3. Her have with the shield and power maul. That's the legs for the black shield. So yeah, if you want to do one box and you know you have experience, you can do this. Of course you can magnetize and you can change it, but if you are a noob like me, you will probably buy 2 boxes and you will have a lot of fun making them. Thank you for your time. I hope it helped you. Of course we have more Deathwatch Kill Team statistics over here and so on. That's different languages. Most important thing is that you have so many choices to make if you want to buy this box. Thank you. Have a nice day.